Brook Group is the seminal modern Supreme Court case addressing predatory pricing. When a dominant firm temporarily charges lower prices, it makes it unprofitable for competitors to compete in the market. Lower prices are generally presumed to benefit consumers, but a low price strategy that eliminates competition can benefit a dominant firm without providing long-term benefits to consumers. Brook Group arose out of a price war between two large cigarette manufacturers. For decades, cigarette manufacturers enjoyed a lawful oligopoly, in which there was no significant price competition among a very small group of rivals. In the early 1980s, Liggett, the predecessor to Brook Group, disrupted the cigarette industry by introducing generic, non-branded cigarettes sold in bulk at a discount. Brown & Williamson Tobacco responded to Liggett's product and price competition with a generic product of its own, and provided wholesalers steep rebates to carry its generic cigarettes. Liggett brought an antitrust case alleging that Brown & Williamson's practice of offering wholesale rebates for generic cigarettes was predatory and harmed competition. According to Liggett, Brown & Williamson's below-cost pricing was intended to force Liggett to raise the prices on its own generic cigarettes to prior oligopoly levels, and to reduce competition between generic and branded cigarettes. In Brook Group, the Supreme Court articulated a standard for such predatory pricing claims, which require evidence of 1. Pricing below an appropriate measure of a rival's cost, and 2. A dangerous probability of recouping lost profits through sustained prices above competitive levels. The recoupment prong was the key contribution of Brook Group. Recoupment focuses the predatory pricing inquiry on whether the alleged conduct is likely to harm competition overall, rather than just hurt competitors. Lower prices in the short term harm competition only if they allow for sustained higher prices over the long term. Otherwise, lower prices benefit consumers. Brook Group contributed a structured legal analysis that allows lower courts to first evaluate whether competition is likely to be harmed, before delving into whether prices were in fact below cost. The lessons of Brook Group remain important today. Our digitized economy increasingly features cross-subsidized product bundles and free or zero-priced services. How should courts analyze predatory pricing for such products and strategies? Brook Group suggests that lower courts should remain focused on harm to competition, separating true anti-competitive conduct from vigorous price competition.